Today, we will show you how to replace the control board of your car. First, start by removing the nuts and bolts that secure the battery in place. Carefully lift the battery out and set it aside. Next, locate the control board and carefully disconnect the wires. You can take a photo first to use as a reference for reconnecting the wires later. Then, install the new control board in place. Reconnect the wires exactly as they were before, and secure the control board by screwing it back into position. Finally, put the battery back in place and secure it with the metal bracket by reinstalling the nuts and bolts. And you're all done. The new control board and battery are now installed and ready to use.